Tell me, what is the meaning of critic?
Most of the people, much of the maximum percentage of the people in the organization, they say negative or the critics. ये कैसे हुआ? Difficult word है, as per विचार.
Okay, well thought and very close to it. Okay, passengers.
जो साथ में बस चले जा रहे हैं, काम आए करते गए, मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर वे में ही चल रहे हैं, कुछ आए काम
not ready for a change, they're just moving along with the situation.
Going with the flow kind of.
Going with the flow kind of.
Okay, soldiers.
Fighting against the
Contributor.
Writing.
True fighter, the true contributor to the organization.
Okay,
20% जो है वो
To protect the organization basically.
well tried. Okay, crusaders.
Leaders are the persons who direct.
direct. Give the directions.
What is your thought process?
See, I would say more or less in line with whatever people said. More or less in line with what people said.
Okay.
The crusaders are people who have to have vision. Right? Who have to have the vision and they have to have the conviction to move forward even without clarity at times.
मैं इसको ना हिंदुस्तानी ढंग से समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है जो वाकई में अपने देश में सारी कंपनियों में होता है। Is it okay? Fine? हैं? मैं चाहता हूँ क्योंकि it's a Newtonian theory है. It actually says, so first of all, let me go the theory so that you have understanding exactly. Crusaders are the people who are the policy makers in the company. People who make policies, something on which the vision and the mission, the goals are set. There are 3-4 steps which you need to understand in an organization what crusaders do. One, first of all, they work on a vision of the organization. Then they want that vision to percolate down to the people across it. Then in order to achieve the vision, they work on the mission. Please understand, there's a mission statements that start coming in. From vision and mission, they come to the objectives. What is an objective? Ultimately, what we are trying to achieve? And how would we go across? What's our objective in life? What is the objective of having an organization? What's the objective of having a company? In order to achieve those objectives, the first time the company starts setting goals. What they do? They set goals. So goal setting then becomes the key implementer for any organization to succeed in. So what's the job of a crusader? The crusaders are the one who are the people who set the goals of the company, or the who implements the vision through a mission or through a objectives of the organization. What's the job of the soldiers? Soldiers are exactly one level below the crusaders. They are the implementers. Their thought process is, if the organization has given me this task, then I need to get it fully implemented. There is no thought process or having a variation there. Soldiers are pure implementers in the organization. Pure implementers. Their job is to ensure they are the right hands and the left hands of the top guys, because they are the implementers, the most difficult task to do. Okay, these are the top management across, which are usually the HODs I call them. Okay, or the VPs of the companies. I'm only talking to you not only about holistic, but I'm also telling you the perspective to look at it. For example, in a bank, the number of hierarchies is too high. For example, in holistic, you don't need. So it depends on the choice to choice, what kind of an organization you want to run. However, there are times when a crusader and soldier sometimes becomes one. Important for you to understand, because they say if we are the policy makers, then we should also be the soldiers, implementers. So it is not. But however, in a larger organization, you need to see that sometimes the soldiers are the ones who listens to it, understands it, and then start implementing it. Then comes his passengers. He said very beautifully, ये वो लोग हैं जो साथ में मझधार में चलते चले आ रहे हैं. एक बार याद रखिएगा, most of the organizations work with 20-60-20. I repeat, 20-60-20. ये organization का basic roadmap है. Any company which you look at it. When I say 20-60 and 20, 20% of the people who are negative to the organization, pure critic. They just believe in one thing. And they only believe in looking at कि कहाँ पर खामी है, क्या है. 20% of people who are pro to the company. They just want to. They may be of the soldiers, they may be in the passengers. They get very pro. And 60% of people जो ना इधर है ना उधर, वो तो देश में वो है जो चलता चला जा रहा है. वही कंपनी के अंदर भी है जो चलते चले जा रहे हैं. उनका काम क्या है? हम सुबह 9:30 बजे आएंगे और शाम को 5:30 या 6 बजे भाई नौकरी है, चल रही है, वो यहाँ पर. आप पूछिए कि एज अ शिशिर वर्मा और एज अ नील रेखम मैं आपको अब देसी स्टाइल बताना चाहता हूँ। अब मैं आपको चेंज कर रहा हूँ प्रोफाइल।